This is a video of uploading file to BIM 360. Let's assume that you are already in Documents Management of the BIM 360 account. In the Documents Management tab, choose the appropriate folder, a folder where you would like to upload the document. Then, click Upload Files located near the top of your screen as shown. The available actions will be shown in the drop-down. Click the appropriate action where the document you want to upload is located. Once you have clicked on the file you want to upload, the status will be shown on the screen until it is uploaded. And there you have it. You have successfully uploaded a document in BIM 360.